the series of HTML, and I am here to teach you HTML and CSS. First series is for HTML, and in this lecture we will study the introduction to HTML, and onwards we will continue that what are the details and what are the tags that are used in the HTML. So starting from here, we have, what is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language. It is basically to create web pages for a website, right? And HTML elements are building blocks of HTML pages. Like one web page has a lot of HTML elements in it, and these elements are represented by tags. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but it generates from those tags some content of a page. First example, we will see first example of HTML. Kindly install any type of software in your machine. I have brackets over here. Latest version is of brackets is 7.1.7, sorry, and you can also use Sublime Text Editor and Simple Notepad as well. So we will do the first example of an HTML program of HTML as, and also HTML is not a programming language, right? Just remember this thing, it is not a programming language. It is used for generating the contents of a web page, right? We have starting HTML tag, ending HTML tag over here, and in between these tags we will write the structure of HTML elements, such as head tag starting, head tag closing. Just keep this thing in your mind that you have to once you start a tag, you have to end it by using / and the tag name, like this, right? Head tag is starting, head tag is ending over here, like it works in the form of pairs. Okay, in head tag, inside head tag you have title tag starting, title tag ending, right? And after head you can use tab for this purpose, so that it becomes clear to you that which element belongs to which element and comes under which element, right? Now you have a body tag starting, body tag ending, right? Now inside body tag you have a lot of tags you have for generating the contents of a page. Suppose we have tags such as for heading. We will discuss in detail about headings. Here we have heading 3. Suppose we write this is heading, okay? And we have paragraph tag, and inside this paragraph tag we write this is a paragraph, okay? You write in this way. So body has 2 tags, heading tag and paragraph tag. Body is closed. Head tag has 1 tag, title tag. You can write over here as first page, okay? Name of title of this page is first page. This is the content that is coming inside the title tag. So this is our first example. You have to save it as Control S and save as any name you want to with any name you want to save. First file, and also sorry, I have forgot to tell you that you have to name it as with an extension of .html. We can save it as save as again first file. You have to remember that after the file name you have to give the extension of HTML. We use .html, right? And you can save it anywhere on your machine and save as type all files. Save. And another thing, you can use comments to explain that what's happening inside your program, and you can give comments like comments in this way. Okay, you have to give comments in this way. Start uh, an angle type of thing over here, then not, then two hyphens over here, and in between these two things you have to uh, give description of your comment or give description of your code, that what your code is doing actually. Okay, so in this way you can save your file, you can give your comments in this. Now we are going to see what would happen to our code, to our page. You have to open it like this in any of the web browser you want. Okay, you are getting it as title is coming over here. We have given the title as first page, see this, and inside body tag we have given the heading. This is the heading and this is the paragraph. So in this way you can create your first page in HTML in this way. So I hope you have got the understanding. And HTML tag comes in under pairs, as I have already told you. Tags is starting in this way, tag is ending in this way with a forward slash. And web browsers, suppose Chrome, Firefox, Safari, is used to read HTML documents and display them, as you have seen that I have opened that HTML file with the Firefox. With the Firefox browser, see, it is saved in this way, first underscore file, right? Sorry. Okay. And this is the HTML page structure. In HTML page structure you have HTML starting tag, closing tag, head tag, title tag, and the body tag. This is a general visualization that what are the contents of an HTML page and how it works for making the web page, right? Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe the channel, and we will meet on lecture number 2, part 2 for HTML. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.